Hi guys, welcome back or to my channel. In this video, I will be cash stuffing my first paycheck of April. If you like cash stuffing, budgeting, or even saving challenges, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button because it's good vibes over here and I promise you are going to love it. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay. So I know I missed uploading my last, I think it was March paycheck, but I did do like a cash stuffing off um, camera. So some things are like updated. I also got a new saving challenge that I am so excited to show you guys. I think I will create 2 different videos again, or I might just make it all one video this time. Yeah, I might make it all one video. So I'm going to do my regular like cash stuffing of bills and sinking funds. And then I'll also do the saving challenge in the saving challenges in this video as well. Let's go ahead and give this a count. Turn this calculator on. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. 50. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So that was 240, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is correct. I will be stuffing a total of $1,043. And that is also correct on my teller slip here. Let's go ahead and get into my personal wallet. Now, I do not remember exactly what I stuffed in this 2 weeks ago when I didn't, film. So sorry. I know Fill the Tank usually gets it's $35, but I pay with that with my credit card. So I am going to set this $35 in the back to kind of put towards my credit card to pay that off. My funds still has, actually do not know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $8 left in it. I might just add all of that to the credit card, to be honest. Food and buffer don't have anything. Okay, let's start with Fill the Tank. As usual, it's going to get its $35, even though gas has literally it's skyrocketed with everything that's going on in the world. Like, let me know like what your gas prices are, because mine is like $4. It's $4 and it's absolutely insane. My funds is getting 93. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3. Honestly, I might put the $3 in buffer. And then the 90 in my fund. And that's how we'll do my little A7 wallet. All right, next is bills. Rent will not be getting anything this week. Car will be getting its usual $340. So in car we have 1, 2, 320, and 40. Trying not to ramble as much since I missed a video. Trying to like get to it. Okay, car insurance. My car insurance went up, so I'm stuffing 121. It went up, but I've been a good girl, so I don't know why it went up. Whatever. 100, 220, 40, 40, 142. 242. Yeah. I was trying to think, was that like right? Because I believe this is April's car insurance. Yeah. Phone isn't getting anything. Dental is getting 68. 6, 7, 8. Let me take this rack view on. 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. And that's all that's in dental. Personal debt is getting 200. So, oh, actually, it's getting all of this. I keep forgetting. Okay. 10. Is that just 5s? Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay, so in personal debt, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500, 1, 2, 3. So 503. And hopefully I counted that right. If not, let me know in the comments what it actually was. But I think it's 503. Okay, and subscriptions is getting 40. And that is it. I took out the student loans envelope because I'm not really stuffing it as a bill as of right now. I'm really just stuffing like my core bills, so I just took it out. But that is all for bills. Okay. In my sinking fund, oops, did I open this accidentally? In my sinking fund, I believe I'm only adding to car maintenance, which is getting 110. So that brings it up to 110 and 20. 120 because I have an oil change car maintenance thingy due in April. So yeah, that's all that my sinking fund is getting. Okay, now I am going to show you guys one of my new challenges. Well, my new challenge that I got off of Etsy, and it is by Daisy Budgets. Absolutely love her shop, and I absolutely love this challenge because every little bit adds up. I watched her complete this thing in its entirety, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get this challenge because it literally is like one of the best challenges for people who have lower income. So let me kind of show it. I know it's money over here. Ignore it for right now. So you have like the dollar saving challenge, and then it's on envelope. This challenge is so cute. And then the $5. Oh my goodness. 10. Why do I keep doing that? $20. And then with the $50 saving challenge, you only save 50 every month. And the same goes for the $100. You save $100 every month. Absolutely. I'm so excited to start this. This is the money I had set aside for it last week. I was like, I'm not going to stuff the challenge. I want to do it on video. So I'm going to do it on video. So I'm just going to add this over here to this pile. And I'm going to get started with this. So because every little bit adds up. So in this video, I will be adding $2. And I'm hoping that you guys can like really see this. Oh, I did not want to use the pink. I had added this other marker down here to use for this challenge specifically because I always use this pink for like everything. this one. So I was trying to like switch up the colors, but so I might erase this and use the other marker. But yep, so now we have $2 saved in the $1 saving challenge. And this isn't like a challenge that you have to rush. I feel like it was literally created for low budget, like low income budgeters. It's literally perfection. Okay, in the $5, I'm gonna add 10. Yeah, let me pull out this other color. So I'm just gonna color this in. My gosh, my coloring is horrible. Now I'm looking at it, I like the pink better than this color. Whatever, I'm sticking to it. All right, in the 10, we are adding to 10, so I'm adding $20 to this challenge. So let me pull that marker back out, and I'm gonna color the two bubbles here. Okay, so now I have $20 in there. And then lastly, for the 20 saving challenge, I'm adding 2 20s. So that's going to bring me up to 40. I wish I can add $50 and $100 in here, but I cannot do that right now, and that's okay. I will catch up when I can catch up. But for right now, I got $40 and 20, $20 and 10, $10 and 5, and $2 and 1. And that's okay. All right, that is it for this challenge. And then last week, I also set money aside for the 100 envelope saving challenge, which of course is like, it's a fan fave and it's one of my favorite challenges. I think I set money aside for 89. Hopefully that's okay. So 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Ooh, she thick. Okay. So yep. It's 89 spot. Oh yeah, I forgot this is the one that was giving me a hard time. There we go. Right, coloring this in. Boom. I would love to fill up this whole row in this video, but you can only do what you can do. And that's the beauty of saving. Just save whatever you can save as long as you are saving it. Okay? All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Whether you're watching in the morning time or the nighttime, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please leave a like and a comment and also subscribe. Please stay blessed. Bye.